okay is, Coach, makana ako sa iyo, actually mo na kayo. Pero let's talk about the game 1 at game 2 ngayong semis. Kasi during both games, yung third quarter that has been really lit up, and actually today in game 2, 38 to 21 points produced in the third quarter. What is it about third quarter that really sparks the NBA?
There's nothing special that we're trying to do in particular, except we just make it a point to start the second half of each game that we play with renewed determination on defense. And I think if we're able to make stops, it really fuels our offense. So yun lang ang ano namin palagi pag halftime. The first thing we take a look at is what are the adjustments, what is the offense, what is the other team doing, and how better can we defend it. So same thing today, we saw in the first half what they were trying to do, so we made the adjustments at halftime. And I thought we made successive stops that fueled our breakaway.
Thank you, Coach Calvin. From third quarter, you really led your team and sparked your team, producing 13 points in the quarter na yun. And of course, what adjustments happened nun? And what did you say about the ilang bata? Kasi duo kayo on that quarter, you also produced 11 points.
Yung adjustment lang nun, tira pa rin ng tira eh. Yung sinabi nila coach ng mga kasama ko, just keep taking shots, papasok din yan. So, yun lang naman talaga kaya kong gawin eh, tumira, rumebound, minsan depensa, kung maganda ang tulog. So, yun lang. Maganda lang din yung siguro yung ball movement namin sa third quarter. And yun, nakuha namin yung lamang doon.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Congratulations to 0 na kayo. Pero tonight, before tonight, was your player of the game orders. Unlike the game was your late. Calvin, can you start the importance of local stepping up since parang hindi ko na ganun kabigat yung for you guys today?
Kailangan eh. Dapat naman ganun talaga eh. Hindi lang natin iaako sa mga import namin. We know Ronde's capability. Tao lang din siya, napapagod. So it's us na mag-step up sa game namin. It's not just today's game but for the rest of the series.
Coach, ikaw personally, figures from your satisfaction with how the locals played today. Later shine, supposedly very investment-minded team, but they were limited tonight on defense. So can you just tell me effort of the locals on the defensive end?
Yeah, just tremendous effort. Everything for us starts with our defense, and in our defense, it's really all 5 guys, and the locals are really doing their part in defending Rain or Shine's actions. We know how strong and how potent they are offensively, and so we are really focusing on that and shutting down their number 1 offensive team in the league. Dun talaga nakafocus, and that's the locals play a big role there. The job that Poy, Eram, and Henry Galinato are doing on Aaron Fuller, I think is very commendable, especially now that we don't have Kelly. That's where it starts, the defensive end. And then on offense, like Calvin says, we just run our offense. They're scheming against Ronde very well. They're defending Ronde very well. And so it's incumbent upon the others to take advantage of their schemes against Ronde, and for everybody else to find the open guys. And like we said, Calvin missed all his shots in the first half, but I said there was no shot he took that was a forced shot. Lahat ng tinira niya were good shots. It just didn't fall. So we just told him at halftime, specifically to keep shooting. I told him the next open shot you see, shoot it again, because they were not bad shots. And sure enough, he shot, I think, 50% from 3 points in the second half. So I think that was a big part of the locals. But we're talking about Calvin's 3-point shooting. He also had 14 rebounds. He's our number 1 rebounder. So that's the contribution that he brings to the team, not just his shooting.
just like may yung bata ka kasi feel na going up against former coach coach na laro ka.
Tagal na yan. Ilang conference na dumaan. Pero yeah, nakakakuan lang kasi yun nga, galing ako sa kanya and nothing against him and against this game. Pero yun nga, I'm trying to compete kung saan ako ngayon. I'm giving all. Ganun naman talaga eh. Nagtatrabaho ako kung saan ako ngayon. I just don't take for granted every time na nasa loob ako ng court.
Coach, halfway through the series and halfway through the finals, just
Well, now is we cannot take our foot off the pedal. Being up 2-0, it's nice to be up 2-0, but it takes 4 to get to the next stage. So our entire discussion right now after this is just to continue to try to figure out what adjustments they can make for the next game. And like I said, keep putting our foot on the pedal.
Kasi sa may ganito siyempre, and your players who may bring the positive performance. There is no possibility that
Right now, we are not thinking about that. All our thoughts are just on Game 3. Yun lang. Trying to figure out what Rainer Shine and Coach M will come up with and preparing ourselves not only physically, but I think more important for Game 3 is our mental and emotional preparation.
That concludes the post-game press conference. Congratulations to TNT.
Thank you. Thank you. Congrats, Coach. Congrats, everyone. Thank you.